Hey everyone, David here from the Five and Dime, and I'm working on the great big gouge and gap and dent that I put in the floor. And so I thought I'd show you the process of where I am so far. So there is a hump there. So there's like, it's like, I have no idea how it managed this, but again, keeping in mind that what happened was the stand mixer fell off the counter while it was running and it dinged the floor. Now, this is engineered hardwood, which means that there's a substrate and then there's real wood on top. And so a lot of recommendations were try iron to find out if you can like get it the moisture to help it reduce the swelling, etc. Blah blah. That didn't work. So I came in with a the iron, tried everything, hammered it down. That still didn't make it smooth enough. So I ended up coming in and actually digging out, gouging out some of the stuff that's underneath the wood part of this. And so just using a knife and digging it out and getting it so that it would lay flat again, or at least almost flat. So got that done to where I was more or less happy with it, and then I needed to glue down the wood that was still there. So using my glue syringe and some Tight Bond Quick and Thick, I came in and filled in underneath so that it would have a good tight bond to it. So wiping up all the excess, making sure that there was nothing left on the good part, and just some steam to further make sure everything was good. And then I laid some parchment paper on top of it in order to weight it down so it wouldn't stick to whatever I was weighting down. So this is after it's dried. I was happy with how it turned out. It's slightly raised a little bit, but not that anybody's going to trip on it or dirt's going to catch on it. So then I mixed up some wood filler with the stain. That was another recommendation by everyone. Thank you very much. And it didn't quite get it dark enough, but I was happy that I got it filled in and just taking a damp paper towel and wiping away the excess. And then because this is in the middle of the floor, I needed something so we didn't trip and step on it. So sanded it back, and then coming in with my No Pain Gel Stain by Dixie Belle Paint Company in American Honey. And I did a number of passes on this. And so put it on, wiped it back, put it on, wiped it back till I got a color that I was quite happy with. And I used a fine artist brush because I found that gave me more control so I wasn't getting it everywhere. I probably did about 3 or 4 coats of it, but as you can see, it did get it blended out quite close to the wood color. And so then I'm using my satin clear coat, which is similar in value to the sheen that's on the current floors. And this is how it's turned out so far. It's good. I'm going to take some caviar or anchor from Dixie Belle Paint Company and see if I can match the grading a little bit and then reseal it. All right, stay tuned. Ciao for now.